Now.
That's it. Pull up on the stick to raise the shed.
Yes. Oh,
Drop it then.
drop it.
Drop it. Find the open shed. You have to straighten this out a little bit because it wobbles.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ah,
There.
I understand now.
Yeah.
So my mother-in-law used to do this and pull it with a knife,
Yeah.
make it so
make it tight, yeah.
Yes. Also, she had a finer thread than yours.
That's right. Yes. It was very fine thread.
Yes. Because she was doing something for the tablecloths.
Yeah.
This is the secret. I have to pull it. Go away. Yes.
That's it. You got it.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Oh, that was fun.
Yeah. But I must stay after that myself and to think what I'm doing and